The ocean has always been both a wonder and a nightmare for humans. Vast, deep, and unpredictable, it hides more secrets than we could ever imagine. But among all of Earth's waters, there is one region that stands out as the most feared and mysterious of all, the Bermuda Triangle. This stretch of the Atlantic Ocean has been blamed for swallowing ships, airplanes, and even entire crews without leaving a trace. Tonight, we'll dive into the chilling history, the unexplained disappearances, the scientific theories, and the supernatural legends surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, sometimes called the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined area in the western North Atlantic Ocean. Its points are typically marked by Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Inside this imaginary triangle, stories of disappearances and accidents have sparked fear and fascination for centuries. While it's not officially recognized as a danger zone by governments or scientific organizations, the triangle has gained an almost mythical reputation. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle goes back hundreds of years. Christopher Columbus himself reported strange events in this area during his first voyage to the New World. According to his journal, Columbus saw a huge flame of fire crash into the sea and noted strange compass readings that confused his crew. But the story truly exploded in the 20th century. In 1950, an article in the Miami Herald mentioned a strange pattern of ship and plane disappearances in the region. Then in 1964, writer Vincent Gaddis coined the term Bermuda Triangle in a magazine article, fueling the legend that captured the world's imagination. One of the most infamous cases happened in December 1945. 5 US Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a training mission. They never returned. Radio transmissions from the pilots revealed confusion, failing instruments, and disorientation. A rescue plane sent after them also vanished, with all 13 crew members on board. No wreckage was ever found. Another case is the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in 1918, a massive US Navy cargo ship with over 300 people on board. It was the largest non-combat loss of life in US naval history. The ship sent no distress signal and left no trace behind. Commercial flights have also been reported missing. In 1948, a passenger plane carrying 29 people vanished while flying from Puerto Rico to Miami. A year later, another aircraft disappeared in nearly the same area. Each of these incidents fueled the belief that the Bermuda Triangle is no ordinary stretch of ocean. Of course, not everyone believes in supernatural forces. Scientists and skeptics argue that the Bermuda Triangle has rational explanations. One theory is about methane hydrate eruptions from the seafloor. Massive bubbles of gas could rise and instantly reduce the density of water, causing ships to sink without warning. Another explanation is powerful storms. The area is prone to sudden hurricanes, waterspouts, and rogue waves, all of which can be deadly for ships and aircraft. Magnetic anomalies are also suspected. Some reports claim the triangle is one of the few places on Earth where compasses point to true north instead of magnetic north, confusing navigation systems. And then, there's the simple fact that this region is one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world. With so much traffic, accidents are statistically more likely to occur. But rational explanations aren't enough for many people. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has become a magnet for supernatural theories. Some believe the triangle is a gateway to another dimension, a portal where things vanish into another world. Others suggest it's connected to the lost city of Atlantis, with its advanced technology still active beneath the waves. UFO enthusiasts argue that alien activity is behind the disappearances, with extraterrestrials abducting humans for experiments. Still others claim the region is cursed, a place where restless spirits pull travelers into the deep. These theories might sound far-fetched, but they've fueled countless books, documentaries, and movies. In recent decades, researchers have tried to put the mystery to rest. Studies have shown that the Bermuda Triangle doesn't actually have a higher rate of disappearances compared to other heavily traveled regions. Insurance companies don't even charge higher rates for ships passing through the area. Still, questions remain. Why were so many disappearances clustered in this particular zone? Why did instruments fail during certain flights? And why is there often no trace of wreckage? The truth is, the ocean is vast and unforgiving. When accidents happen, evidence can vanish quickly, especially in deep waters. So, is the Bermuda Triangle truly cursed? Or is it just a legend born from human imagination, fueled by tragedy and mystery? Perhaps it's both. The Bermuda Triangle continues to capture our fear and fascination, reminding us that despite all our science and technology, there are still places on Earth that remain unexplained, and maybe they should stay that way.